After Nawab Malik, now it's Congress's time to make fresh allegations against the NCB officials. The spokesperson of the Maharashtra Congress Party, Sachin Sawant, has come up with the new allegations. He has said that the action should be taken against the NCB officials under Section 59 of NDPS Act involved in the raid, as well as on the one who declared all the rules were not followed, is what the Sachin Sawant, the Congress Party, is saying. They are saying that the NCB handbook, while arresting, there are set of procedures in the NCB handbooks while arresting the accused in the raid on the cruise. It clearly suggests that the NCB did not follow the procedures as mentioned in the handbook by the NCB. Congress has quoted specific rules in the handbook. The Congress has said on the NCB handbook on page number 69, it says that the Drug Law Enforcement Officer, DLEO, is responsible for the safety of the arrestee, and he must keep the arrestee always in the sight, and the security of the arrestee was compromised when a private individual was taking selfie with him. On page 70, as per the Congress of the NCB handbook, it says that DLEO, the Drug Law Enforcement Officer, has to go for another work. He has to hand over the arrestee to another officer under written instructions of superior officer. And that is what the Congress is claiming, that this handbook, the rules, the procedures of this arrest, of the raid, has not been followed by the NCB officials. So the action should be taken against the NCB officials. Devesh Singh is joined with me outside the NCB office. The fresh allegations by the Congress. The Congress claims that the handbook, the procedure of the NCB raid is not followed. The NCB has some particular handbook, how to conduct raids, what needs to be done at the time of raid, how to handle the accused, which is not being followed. So the action should be taken against the NCB officials. What is it that the NCB officers have told you about?
Sahil, NCB officials maintain their statement that they made yesterday, that whatever action that they have taken during the raid was as per the law, as per rules. No rules were flouted and there was no illegal thing that happened. They carried out the raid in a lawful manner. That is what they maintain. That is what the NCB has been saying. NCB's Deputy Director General Gyaneshwar Singh also stated that the raid was conducted in a lawful manner, and this statement was issued to media last evening. As in the afternoon, Nawab Malik from the NCB made allegations regarding two private persons' involvement while with the NCB, who were also seen taking some of the accused to the NCB office, holding them and taking them to the NCB office. Sahil?
Okay. Let's first take a look at what are exactly the allegation against the accused in this particular case. My colleague Akshita Nandagopal tells us about the NCB charges against Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and the other accused in this case.